Forget staring at a blank canvas. We're about to unlock your inner digital artist with Nano Banana, the revolutionary tool that transforms your ideas into stunning visuals. Let's dive into the world of image creation. Our first stop, editing existing images. Imagine you have a photo that's almost perfect, but needs a little adjustment. Nano Banana makes it incredibly easy. Select your image, and then choose the crop tool. Simply drag the corners or edges to recompose your shot, focusing on the most important elements. Once you're happy, confirm the crop to reveal your refined image. But we can go even further. Head over to the Adjustments panel. Want to make your photo pop? A slight increase in brightness can illuminate darker areas. Need more depth? Boosting the contrast will define your shadows and highlights, giving your image more punch. And for vibrant colors, experiment with the saturation slider. A little goes a long way to bring your image to life. Or you can dial it down for a more muted, artistic feel. Now, let's explore the magic of generating entirely new visuals from scratch. This is where Nano Banana truly shines. All you need is an idea. Type out a detailed description of what you envision. For instance, a majestic dragon perched on a crystal mountain at sunset. Nano Banana's intelligent algorithms will interpret your prompt and begin constructing a unique image just for you. See, instant fantasy art. Let's try another. How about a cozy, sun-drenched library filled with stacks of ancient books? Whether you're creating digital art, social media content, marketing materials, or just for fun, Nano Banana offers endless possibilities. Edit, enhance, and generate with unparalleled ease. Start creating your visual masterpieces today with Nano Banana.